all right. Hello, everyone. Why is it always I'm about to start the goddamn stream? The camera, even though I did it a couple of seconds ago, the goddamn thing, laptop. Okay. Or is it out of focus? Is it out of focus? Get this a bit high. I think that's better. No, yes. Okay. Let's do a mic check. Why is my mic kind of going over the pic? Okay, Chama. There. Okay, sorry you guys. Let's do quick this. It's not charging. The focus. Do that. Okay, I'm boosted. All right, very good. That's that. And what else? Yeah, the battery. It's not urgent. It is. I'll be damned. All right, so ladies and gents, yeah, it's not gonna be charging anymore. Oh, it is. Yeah, but I'm 2 to the left. Are you charging? Damn it. Oh. Oh. Like it wants, but it doesn't want. May I start the stream? Let me start my stream. Where's on my soul? Ah, it is. Okay, let's not move a muscle. All right, so ladies and gents, let's just do this real quick. Boom. All right, so how is everyone doing? I moved the mic, so oh, it is charging. Very nice. So ladies and gents, as you saw on the title of YouTube and at Twitch, we are going to game develop a new app. Yes, you heard me correctly, ladies and gents. A new freaking map. So the whole idea was for me, because I kind of missed creating a map. I sat my ass for the past like 5-6 days. I haven't done anything. I already have 3 maps on Windows side. This is Linux, by the way. On Windows side, that I'm gonna carry them on one day. because I left them now. And I sat my ass and I was like, you know what? You haven't edited for a while, because I have scheduled videos, upcoming video 5:15 today and 3:15 a short, yes. But I haven't like created like a map or something, and I was like, you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna set it a rule saying, well, you're gonna give me an idea of a map and I'll just create it within 2 days in Minecraft. So it gave me a few ideas and I picked the first one, which was actually, it gave me like 3-4 ideas, and I picked the first one and the second one, which the second one I'm not gonna spoil because it might be a future map that I'm gonna work myself on it. But this one has to do with maze. So long story short, ladies and gents, the map had to do with maze memory. What do I mean by that? I mean that the players were gonna be shown from the start until the center how to get there, and then they were gonna be teleported to the entrance, and whoever remembers, they go first to the middle and they win. And I was like, well, that's just a racing game, right? And it sounds kind of boring. So I kind of changed the idea to the GPT. I told it, you know what? Let's keep the maze idea because it sounds amazing. No, well, anyways, and let's add like, what do you call it? Competitiveness. Instead of just running for the center and trying to memorize, because if all of them memorize, then it's about speedrun, who runs the fastest, yeah? I said to the GPT, let's make the maze and hide from the X amount of players statues -1. Statues, that means as if relics or a treasure. So what does that mean? I told it, if we're 4 players, for example, we are going to summon 3 relics within the maze, hidden, and when players find them, they can access the middle. When they do, if, for example, out of 4 players, 2 of them found relics and they are in the middle, they got to the middle, for the last relic, the last 2 players are allowed to fight each other or go against each other to who gets the relic. It's gonna be like that I think it's called. I don't know how it's called, but the idea is when the last relic is left with 2 players, those 2 players are allowed to fight each other, maybe kill each other, or whoever finds the relic first and goes to the center. That's the idea. Like, it's a simple idea. We'll just do this within 2 days, and if I really do like and you guys like it and download it and play the map and, you know, show me some support on it, I'm gonna even do updates for multiple maps, for like piston redstone things, like the map to modify itself. For example, like the Maze Runner, the actual movie where doors close, others open. And oh, there was twists that I forgot to mention. There are gonna be traps as well. So if all players die, they lose. If they, you know, they're not gonna be entities. And I think the players will have a few hearts, like a few mistakes, so they must be careful whilst they're running. That's the idea of the map. Anyways, enough of me yapping, and let's see if my phone's, yeah, it is charging. Very nice. And let's see, last time I played was February 2nd, 7th of February. Today we have Happy New Month, by the way, Kalomina, we say in Greek. Anyways, we're gonna name this. I already forgot its name. The last lyric. Is it lyric? Relic. Relic. Stand. Or standing. Last relic standing. I think I'm gonna put it like my title on... last relic standing. Okay. Yeah, we'll do like the title. We're not gonna change it now. Last relic standing. Okay, so we'll create the world. No structures, allow shades, blah blah blah. Done. Create. I was thinking about making it like what do you call it? Mob spawning. On 1.20, 1.11. I already forgot the newest version. But the problem is that first of all, I don't know the commands, and second of all, that movement is is strange on 1. On 1.11.2, 1.20, 1. Whatever, the newest release. Anyways, let's just do this. Γαμώτο κεράτο μου. The one thing I want to do before I carry on, I want to, just in case if the VOD gets muted because of the melodies, Twitch, I've been having a few issues lately. I want to do this. I want to... Wrong. Γαμώ το κεράτο μου. Did my phone stop charging επειδή I moved too much? Okay, thank God. Thank God, because that was gonna upset me a little bit. How many? How many did I do already? Okay, let's see how it looks. Yep, it's good. So as well, people can know what songs we're listening to right now. One moment, guys. I have to BRB real quick for my nose sake. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. So, here's what's gonna happen. /TP, we're gonna go and do... find a place. We'll do... /set block. -1 stone. /fill. Make it 50 by 50. Stone. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit. Okay. So let's think, let's make it stone 6 actually. Stone 6. This looks, I think, better for a ground. As for the walls, what shall we go with? Shall we go with bushes? But it's see-through. What about double layer? No. Maybe if someone plays with a bad quality, that would have been better, but how about stone brick? Stone brick. There it is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do this. Let's do this real quick. How much shall I make it? Slash clone. Wrong side. Slash clone. Here. How long shall I make it? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall I make it 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we do this. And we do it here. Here, 55, 8. Four. How many did I do? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. $70. Many? We're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is a 10 by 10. Shall I make it 11 by 11? Because, you know, we must not have it as an odd, you know, for the entrance sake. We must have it odd for the entrance sake. Okay, let's do one more. All right. It's gonna be 11 by 11 for the sake of the entrance. Except if we do the game that the players like jump through a hole above and, you know, they discovered the maze and like a ghost tells them. Until then, let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. Then the center will be I make it 3 by 3. It's gonna be huge if I do it like that. Yeah, let's just do it for now. And we will change it in the future, because it doesn't have to be like this. It might be like this, the center. It might be like this. It might be one block. We can just randomize it in the future. So, the maze. Let's see, how shall we do it? So, I'm not good with mazes. So thinking about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 11, yeah? So what I'm gonna do see. Let's go to this, type maze generator, and let's show that as well. Let's name this Google. Oh, never mind. It's a bit annoying. Google. And we will show the maze generator. So, why is it all the way up? Will I do it like small so you guys can see? When I create the maze, you guys know. Okay, so we got the maze down there. Let's do a 11 by 11 generate, and here it is. Is there like a way to do? Let's see. Those are examples. We don't need examples. That doesn't matter. To 11 by 11 delta. Okay, I guess we're gonna just do this. If I do rooms, will... Well, it's not something like you collect gold, but that can be a feature in the future. Okay, George, focus. We're creating a map for 2 days. 2 days only. No more than that. So, let's just start. Let's say from down there. Goes left up. Goes left. Up. Left. Down. Left up, left down. So 1, 2, 3. That should take me to the corner. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, oops. 2, 3, 4. We can edit this, by the way. It doesn't mean that I have to 100% make it like the maze I'm looking at right now. Let's see. So 1 up left. 1 up left. Then it goes 1, 2 up. 1, 2. It goes left, down. Then left, down, right. 1, 2. It goes like 1, 2, right, up. Then this is gonna be a dead end, but it might have a statue, so okay, that's one side. Let's see, then we go 1, 2, 3 up, which is like exactly above there, and then left. Then goes like this and like this. Up left. Oh, goes one more, then we go like that. I have two options. Let's go to the dead end to the left. And then it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it's left, down, right, down. Left, down, right, down. Or it's left, up, left, down. Then it's up and down. Nice. Then we go to the other side, which is by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So we come to this. That. Then we go 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, or 1, 2, I'm gonna guess 3. Then we go 1, 2, 3 down. 2, 3. Right up, right up. There's left, down, down. There's left, down, down. All the way to the right, all the way to the left. Okay. All the way to the right. All the way to the left. And like this. So there we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? Oops. It was like this, wasn't it? So that's 1, 2, and then 3, and then left, and then down. Left, up, left, down. Left, up, left, down. And then we go up, left, up. Up, left, up. We have 2 roads. So we go up, right, all the way to the right. Yeah, up, right, all the way to the left. Or we go like this, which is left, left, down, right, up, up, up. So, here's our first maze. Here is our first maze. Let's say the players will start here. And... the middle room will be... or not the middle room. The safe room will be here. We will change this destination. And that. All right. So we'll do blocks as if like this is the, and we do sea lantern. Why am I lagging? Placing a block on that row. Okay, so it's bug me placing a block on this specific line. Or is it glitching as if the lighting of the hall... What? No, it should... Gonna make me trip balls, I'm not gonna lie. So let's do it like this, because I'm gonna put the... Oh, we're not gonna hint here. I hate this. And let's say like this is the treasure room. Like this is the safe zone. And put like a carpet. I don't know. We'll think about it, okay? It's not a final project. This is just maybe just a carpet. I don't know. We will have like a stone. Something like that, and we'll do that block, stone. Yeah, bend there. Which one is the smooth? There is a way to put like... on smooth. Which one was it? There is a way to actually make this look smooth. One moment. Can I actually ask this? The GBT. How to set block smooth stone? .9. There was a way. This is a bit annoying that I don't remember the command for the... I'll just give you a stone. Damn you. Which one was it? Why can't I remember? There was a way to actually put a stone, a smooth stone. Okay, screw it. Let's do it like this. Let's not waste time. So this is like when they place the skulls, the artifacts, the relics. I already forget what I call them. So what shall the relics be? I can do like a model, or we can go with like in-game things. So I don't have, because it's a 2-day. Shall the relics be like simple heads? Does this actually work? I want to try something. Yeah, it does. Damn. I didn't know that. Anyways, it's gonna be probably the simple skulls, or I can do one more slash Q. Skull 1-3. Player name. It wasn't like this. One moment. I'm gonna figure out the command again. It's been a little while. Give player head 1-3. Skull owner. Bruh. Skull owner. Skull owner. And you put the... There it is. There. Oh, so that means... Okay, let's do this then. Minecraft skulls. And then let's do relics. Relic. Oh, it wants me to close the ad blocker. I have ad blocker because I don't want freaking pause on all sides. Where is it? Pause on this side. Ah, okay. So let's do relic. We can do like... Those are strange. These remind me of the Dragon Ball. Maybe not relic. Statue. Everything cut for a moment. What do you call them? You call them relics. You call them statues. You call them gold. What do you call them? Oh, why do I forget? What do you call them? Gold shell? Maybe shall we do like a pack of gold? Just with gold. That's actually cool. What do you call them? Relics. One moment. What do you find in lost mazes? Hidden treasures. Hidden treasures are called otherwise. Treasure trove. Hoard, plunder, stash. Oh. Indiana Jones was looking for an item. What is it called? I can't. This is annoying. The Ark of the... What is this, the Ark? What is the... the Ark of the Covenant. Is it a statue? Is it a relic? Come on, Google. The Ark is scarred chest. Describe all that. Not a statue, cause okay, blah blah blah. Okay, blah 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 blah. It's a chest. I don't want. Damn it! I don't know. What are called the lost / hidden items in mazes or lost Atlantis? I don't know. Ancient and legendary in maze and temple name. Lost items are usually called relics, artifacts. Artifacts. Oh my god, this fucking word ruined me. Fuck me. Sorry guys for the language. Artifacts. No artifacts. Okay, let's look at another word. Idols. No idols. Lost relics. Just relics. Why isn't it finding me anything? Oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. Wait, how was I earlier finding? Relic. Okay, it does find the relic. Okay, so what do we go for? Do we go for these sapphire relic, ruby relic, emerald relic, sun relic, moon relic? Or do we go for shiny relic? Just 1, 2. Okay, let's go for these. How do I want it for 1.9. Okay, finally we can go back to this and do this. I'm gonna do / give your command block. And let's do that. There it is. If I'm gonna make this for... Let's say we're gonna start it for up to 4 players. Let's just do 3 of them. Let's do this. That's the 2. Let's do the 3. That's it. No more. In the future, if this map gets at least 50 downloads, 50, I will consider onto making it more complicated and giving it more. So / not give chest. Let's do chest like this, as if backup chest. Make sure that these are correct. Okay. Very nice. So we got our relics, shiny relics. Like Dragon Balls. So what we're gonna do, we are going to, let's say it's always going to be the maze like this until I create more of these, or we make modifications for, let's say I'm gonna have pistons. Shall it be all one block, for the reason that if blocks go down, the others come up? I think I should do that. Let's just do all of them as if they're pistons. Okay, future. That's a future thing. I gotta focus first of all on the normal gameplay. So, let's say the players start, there's gonna be like a chance of a thing spawning here. Let's make tables, tiny tables. I would like that. Oh, that's just, no. Let's make like a block. What if we make like I'm thinking about making like a model of bookshelves, like a carpet, and putting like a minecart in it. What if I do slash summon minecart chest? Just I access to it. What if I do slash TP type equals minecart chest? There. Can I make it slash and invincible and tt data type equals minecart chest visible? Won't be. No, I can't. This will be an idea. Maybe if I do like a slab, but I still need it to look like a bookshelf. Like maybe players bother to search in bookshelves. Anyways, that's a future idea. Let's just do the dead ends for now. As if they have a chance of having, what do you call it? A relic. Make sure I get all the dead ends. Dead end, dead end. That's a dead end, that's a dead end. Dead end, dead end, dead end. I like that it had the command actually to summon an armor stand with these things on its head. That's actually really helpful. But now I'm gonna be doing it manually because it's a 2-day project. The automations and everything else will happen in the future. Until then, make sure I don't miss a dead end. I feel it's gonna be kind of shit that it's gonna be two together. Oh, it's too much. It starts to piss me off the fact that it's lagging. Oh, I think that's better. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 possibilities. 15 possibilities. We will do Flash Summon Armor Stand. As well as here. And here. And there. It doesn't have to be like two locations, like, oh, what if it's gonna be onto the left, onto the right? It's gonna be extra work for me to make a possibility of two of them spawning not to happen, which is just extra work for me for no reason. We're doing this for 2 days, so I must focus on making the game work rather than chances and possibilities, even though I'm doing chances and possibilities already. We have 50 locations. 15 1 5. Let's see. So did we spawn? Yes, we did. So we're going to go back to the head things. Get the command blocks to summon. Let's do actually slash scoreboard objectives add. Spot dummy. So spot will be the table. Slash scoreboard player set at E. Type equals armor stands. Spot 1. I'm gonna have to make a system where am I gonna make this as a... Okay, so we got a nut, ladies and gents. We are going to BRB real quick and yep, BRB for now. Enjoy the melody whilst I'm going to stretch and bring me some water. Alright, the ad didn't end. But I went, I stretched. I got me the water. Stay hydrated, ladies and gents. Always, always stay hydrated. We're waiting for the Twitch ad to finish. And then when it does, then we're gonna carry on. So. This is kind of... Okay, that's better. So. How is everyone doing? No. All right, the ad has finished. Welcome back, ladies and gents. So, we made the locations where the statues will spawn to. Let's just go back to the fact that I need, in the end of the day, the salmon armor stand, this one. Yeah, but this is gonna always create a new... Always gonna create a new... Not set block. Or shall I? Set block. Yeah, but I want players to right click, pick it up, not just, you know, break it. Except if we do... How can you prevent PvP? Oh, by actually having a health regen. That's, yeah, that, never mind. I'm thinking. How can I do traps, decoys, and so let's just do first of all the is it gonna be always summoning an armor stand? Maybe on every like new run it's gonna be killing the specific armor stand that will have specific okay, let's just do this, I guess. We will do give command block. Let's do slash, actually this. Gonna summon this. Can we do show arms? It's no need actually. Why does it... What is this command doing? That's my question right now. See, it has extra things that it doesn't need. Why? Oh, why? Yeah, we don't need the show arms. No base plate, no need. Armor items, we don't need. We need the skull. I don't know what's all of this. And let's do invisible 1B and no gravity 1B. How about now? Doesn't work. What if I do this? No, something that I... Armor items. Maybe it needs the armor items. It does need the armor items. Okay, I see. Okay, I figured it out. Let's just do this, I guess. But it didn't give it the skull. For this open, it has its close and it's open. Then he has the texture close, it has it. Then it has the close of the ID. This is too much. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 opens. Never mind, it's 2 because one of them closed it. It's 1, 2. This has its open and its close. Then this has open. That's 3. Then it has a new open. 4. And then it has Angili. There must be... Okay, I think I figured it out. Let's just do... So this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we close those and... Never mind. Okay, so how can you... Okay. I'm gonna do this, and we are going to just how about like this? Doesn't show it. Why doesn't it show it? Does it have to have the leather boots, for example? What if I do add leather boots? What if I do that? Or do I have to have all of them, but instead of Tacoma. Okay, so I must... This don't make sense. This don't make sense. How are you... Okay, instead of... Let's make it air. Even though I don't want to bother having it... Γνώμη για Στεφανή. Καλώς ήρθες, Άστρο 180 Hz. Αλλά τι εννοείς γνώμη για Στεφανή? What do you mean? Let's do instead of... Good morning. Hello, Tio. How you doing, cutie? Show arms. That don't matter to me. No base plate. Howdy. You like Stefani? It's not bad, let's say. Doing good, just woke up. How about you? I'm burning my last brain cell, Retio. Armor items. ID. Let's do 0B. Let's just do this 0B. Lol. I'm creating a new map, Tio. Screw you. Count 0B. Just played 0B and it should work. It should work. I'm just... Bitch! Public better? I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so. It's a so random question that you're asking because I don't go to either stores, APD. I'm poor as fuck. So, take me to your point, Reastro, για να σου πω actually my opinion. I don't know. Wanna change the category to Minecraft or software and game dev? Let's do it actually game dev. You're right, I forgot. Game dev. I forgot that there's a game dev develop. One moment. Game development. That software, pirate software created on Twitch. But you work there. Where do I work? Astro, do your research better and then come to talk to me. Κατά τη γνώμη μου, απλά έμπα online, ψάξε τι θέλεις και στα δύο website και πήγαινες σε εκείνο που το έχει. Μην είσαι loyal σε συγκεκριμένο store. Όχι, Tio, he thinks that I'm working on Stephanie or what do you call it, or public. You see me in a video? Well, do a better job, Astro. Damn it, you are doing... I'm a whole... What do you call it? A whole firma, and you're not noticing on where? Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Astro, get out of here, bro. Get out of here. I'm not gonna deny that you saw me on a video. Like on this one, Twitch. Maybe on YouTube, I have shorts 3:15 uploaded, coming up, and 5:15 another video, a new video. Maybe. I don't know what type of video you've seen me on. Do your goddamn research and then talk to me. This is kind of funny. I've been doing YouTube for 10 years. It's impossible not to see me. Remember. Even though he's not talking about that those specific videos. Τώρα γιατί αυτή τη μαλακία δεν με αφήνει. Okay. It still does show me the armor. I don't want no armor. Can that be... It should work, but it doesn't. This is... Okay. Let's see. This don't make sense. Let's try this. Let's try doing... Who is calling me right now? I can't answer right now. Replace item entity at E. Type equals armor stand. Comma R equals 2. Slow armor head. And let's do this. Will it work? So let's do slash summon our armor stand. Yes! Suck it! Suck it! Yes! 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 When your shit works, it works. Yes! But why doesn't it work the simplest way? And it has to make me do an extra work for it. God damn it. By the way, I'm gonna BRB real quick because I do have to take the phone to see if it's something serious or, you know. So I'm really sorry, guys. BRB one moment. Alright, I'm really sorry, you guys. I'm really sorry. And I'm back. Okay, so, it was Angelov. I'm glad that I actually picked up the phone. I'm glad. Yeah, anyways, let's just do this. get it down to 50. And let's carry on. So, we must do this for some reason. Okay, so we're going to keep this command because this is needed. Okay, what are we going to do? How do I do this? How do I do the lighting? Question, does it cut? Oh, fuck. Yeah, it does cut. If I do it like this, doesn't look nice. Do I do torches, like more classic of a maze vibe, you know, like it makes it like dimmer? What's the map about? What's the map about? Well, Tio, thank you for asking. I explained it at the get-go of the stream, but I will gladly talk with someone. So it has to do... Okay, one moment, sorry. No gravity 1B. Just let... slash entity data at e type equals armor stand no gravity 1B. Okay, so since for the past like 5 to 6 days I haven't done anything, I was thinking, what am I going to stream today? You put pressure instead of up and down. Did I? Oh, I cleared my chat. Anyways, so since for the past 5 days I saw my ass and did absolutely fuck all, and when I say fuck all, I mean I did all my work a month ago, which I'm talking about shorts, I'm talking about videos, because I remember correctly, every Wednesday and Sunday I have shorts uploading at 3:15. And today on 5:15, it's gonna be uploaded the third episode of The Heist. That's pretty much I scheduled. That's what that means. I'm not editing them now. I edited them in the past. I did what I did. And for the past like 5 days, I haven't done absolutely fuck all. I've been playing games, watching series, wasting my time, feeling down that I'm wasting my days because... Now it's daytime. I woke up like 8 a.m. in the morning because that's my schedule for my job. But anyways, what do you call it? And when I do fuck all, no edits, no nothing. I just play all day or I watch series all day. I turn to the window, I see it's nighttime, and I say, well, another wasted day that I haven't done anything. So, long story short, because I'm too much yapping right now, I opened ChatGPT and I was like, well, ChatGPT, your job is to give me an idea of a game, and my challenge is to create it within 2 days. To create that map in Minecraft within 2 days. The first project idea was Mind Maze, if I remember correctly, which was the player had, let's say, 30 to 40 seconds. It was gonna be like a road of glowstones to guide you to the end, and the player must memorize that. If he makes a wrong turn, he dies, he gets trapped, he etc etc etc. And I was like, well, that's, if I make that, that's gonna be a bit boring, isn't it? Because it's gonna be just let's say up to 4 players for now, just speedrun. I can just do that in 1 player. So for this map, the multiplayer will be statue hunt and the solo. If someone doesn't have friends like me and you, Tio, it's gonna be speedrun. Like, he has to beat his time within a time limit, or I'll think about it in the future. But until then, I'm focusing as a multiplayer this game, where let's say it's like the musical chairs, you know, it's 4 players, 3 statues. Each round, 1 player gets eliminated. And then it goes 3 to 2, and then 2 to 1, and then the last one is the winner. That's the idea of the game. That's the idea of the game. So what else? What else? In the morning, like when I started the stream, it was I explained it even better, but now I'm kind of fucking it up, let's say. So yes, if you want, you can go back to the VOD and watch me like give it in better detail, because I don't remember. It's not that I had it scripted, it's that I had it fresh in my head. Now my brain is kind of burning because I have to do double the work instead of letting me do 1 command block and summon a goddamn thing with just the head, with an artifact, relic, whatever the fuck. Type equals armor stand, R equals 2, spot 1. So we are going to, shall I do, yeah, but it's gonna take like, if I do it like spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, blah, till 15, gonna have to do a lot of piles of command blocks. Let's just do it with like 2 piles, I think. Let's do slash scoreboard objectives add can place dummy as if statue or statue relic can TP here. So let's do slash scoreboard player set at it score underscore spot minimum equals 1 and place 1. Gonna lurk and grab something to eat before I continue studying for my exam. See ya. Good luck with the map. Thank you, Tio. I really appreciate you, and good luck with your exam, bro. Before you go, what exam do you have? Is it maths? Is it programming? What is it? Thank you. You're welcome, Kitty. And another one. What are you eating? Anyways, I'm asking too much. Okay. Ah! So let's do... We are going to do this. Let's do... Slash summon armor stand. It's a class of digital image processing. I have no idea what that is, so feel free not to bother asking me. No gravity 1B. So that's 1, that's 2. It has theoretical part on paper and a practical part on the computer, so it's gonna be way more interesting than the usual exams. Ooh, okay. 4, okay, that's actually spicy. T4 Malaga, that's 3. 1, 2, 3. So if it's gonna be 4 players, for example, in the first run, it's going to be like this. And then it's going to be... Let's do it like this. Then it's gonna do... Slash set block. There. Okay. So let's just do, until then, let's do summon armor stand. Let's make it do this. Get its head on. I think this is for the skull 3, isn't it? Yeah, let's just do this one here. I've been complaining for my whole life about computer science exams only being on paper and it being a pain in the ass to write code on paper. Now we're finally doing something more interesting for an exam. Damn, that's actually good. Good luck, bro. I hope you actually succeed, because if you fail, it's gonna be fucking, what do you call it? It's gonna be fucking embarrassing, because you've been complaining to make it on what do you call it, on computer, and now that you're gonna have it on computer, you might have it fuck it up. Also, I'm probably gonna grab a croissant. Ooh, a croissant. You're gonna grab a croissant. It's gonna be easy, don't worry. That's what I'm talking about. You're a fucking gout. Fucking gout. Perfect French there. Bro, I started learning Japanese, by the way. It's not that I'm learning words or letters. I'm just learning the alphabet. Speaking of France, I'm learning Japanese. Those are the letters, and I already learned, one moment, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, no. Oh, I learned 30 letters out of 43. And yeah, I'm just showing you one sticky note, but you don't understand that it was like this 3 days ago, and it's already this because every time I'm learning a new row, I'm doing practice with all of them one by one in a row, and I'm memorizing them. And lately I've been doing with ChatGPT, I'm telling him just randomize the order in English words, and I'm typing them, I'm writing them in Japanese. But no, kanji is easy. The katana, it's called, the kanata, I don't know what it's called. That one is pain in the ass, and I'm not learning the original. I'm learning the kanji. No, kanji is not hard. Kanji is easy. I've learned already 30 letters. I'm gonna start as well learning, like I'm gonna find like a dictionary that has the hi, hello, maybe download again Duolingo and do it again. Hiragana and katakana. Wait, kanji? What is kanji then? No. What have I been learning this whole time? My laptop. Have I been learning? Yeah, I've been learning hiragana. Yeah, I've been learning hiragana. And then I can learn the same words in a katakana. It didn't, well, ChatGPT didn't show, oh, it did show me kanji. Kanji is just words. It's just one line equals 1, 2 lines equals 2, 3 lines equals 3. The 4 is like a theater. What the fuck is this kanji thing? What the fuck? What is this? Kanji is a bunch of characters they took from Chinese, and there are way too many of those, and some have multiple pronunciations as well. Yeah, I've just seen it. There's one word that it was day, and I think I already forgot. Yeah, it's for Japanese words. Katakana is for words borrowed from other languages, English words that are used in Japanese, and kanji is combined with hiragana for Japanese words. I think I'm not gonna learn, what do you call it? This kanji thing. I have a question. I'm gonna search it up. If Yakuza 3 has to do with kanji, I'm gonna stream it in the current future. If not, I'm gonna learn Japanese and I'm gonna try to actually play the game understanding it in Japanese rather than having the subtitles. I'm gonna have the subtitles, but I want to actually take a year until I play Yakuza 3 so I can learn as well Japanese. I don't know if it's a good idea. Learn the first two and leave kanji for later. No, I was thinking about just learning kata, not kata. I already forgot. I've already started understanding a few things that they're saying in the Yakuza games, by the way. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Listen, Tio. Here's the deal. I don't think I'm gonna learn the katakana. I'm gonna learn hiragana. I'm just learning hiragana for now. Then I'm gonna start learning with the dictionary words with hiragana. We'll see if I'm gonna actually learn deeper Japanese. We said I'm gonna learn Japanese, but not so deep. Kanji is just for reading, by the way. Doesn't matter if you're listening to dialogue in game. So you'll recognize way more. Katakana is very useful because it's often used to write English words in Japanese. So you'll recognize way more words with that. Okay. Okay, so question. Do you suggest me not play Yakuza 3 for a year so I learn Japanese and then play the game? Or no? Or do you want me to play the actual game, you know, and watch me suffer? I think this was 2. Skull 1? Wait, isn't this 2? Yeah, that's 2. Ta-da. Tiny relic. Let's do this. So this must actually well, I feel like there are a lot of complex parts of the language that are used in the game that you won't understand even after a year of learning. I've been slowly learning Japanese with Duolingo since first played Yakuza 0, and I still can't understand most things. Why did this work but the rest of them didn't? What did I do? Didn't I take the... Oh, did I take it from the wrong category? Yep, I did take it from the wrong category. Damn it. Damn it, the voice crack as well. Damn it. Okay, let's try this again. You son of a bitch. Yeah. But I also learned some things from the Yakuza games, funnily enough. That it's a good idea when you have an actual bomb in front of you, you do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one is not gonna blow? This one. For me, learning while playing Yakuza games at the same time worked well. Not that. Kek W. Okay, so... eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Majima, my goat. Eh. Again. I was gonna make a bad joke. I'm not gonna say it. I'm probably gonna say it off stream. I'm so tempted to say it because it's just a meme. It's just a joke that I want to make of. but I'm not gonna, because it's the percentage of me getting banned for it. It's actually a bit big percentage. That was us in Octane last week. By the way, what is the short that I showed you? Not short. What is the clip that I showed you? So I wanna find. Where is the... you thought it looked like... Oh, okay. So there's another clip, Tio. Another clip where... what do you call it? In the beginning of the stream, I was hearing a song on NCS that says, "You're nothing but an expired exit from my life. Bye, whatever." And I was like, what if in Tears' run I say... Actually, I'm gonna give you the time. If I find it, please God. Okay. I think it's this one. 26:33. One moment. I hate you, by the way. I watched the moments where you trolled me. Me? I will never. Let's go to, what was it? 26:33. So I have too much shit. So 26:33. One moment. I just click. Why is it not? So
I hope it's not gonna be too loud when the bombs start making sounds and stuff. Local multiplayer game for 2 or more players.
Okay, can you hear this? Can you hear it? Because it sounds too low for me.
You are the bomb diffuser. Your goal is to defuse a bomb with the help of your friends. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna skip it. I already know.
Will your friend help you? That's the real question.
No. Are you gonna tell me the wrong color to make me blow up?
You said ironically. Are you gonna tell me the wrong color to blow up? No.
Oh my god.
Why would I do such thing?
Yeah, you would never do that. What's
Nah, that's the first part. And then we go to the actual part, 15:25. Whether you told me the wrong module instead. No, Tio. 15, how much? 45? Bye. 15:25. One moment, sorry. Sorry. Nobody exploded. Do his highs. No, he's not. So now it's the song of that I told you, the "You're nothing but an X." It's playing on the background. On 20 minutes mark, and he's still gonna be on the stream starting soon. Listen. That's Tio, ladies and gents. That's Tio. Nothing but an X. Bro, a moment. If I want to kill Tio by any chance on his run, whilst I'm the what do you call it? Whilst I'm the manual guy, I'm gonna tell him, "You're nothing but an X. cut the red wire, even though it's not the correct answer, and he just explodes like, bye-bye. So, jokes aside, I made a joke that I'm gonna make you cut the wrong wire, the wrong color wire. And literally in the future, instead of you saying about the button, about the maze, about the codes, about anything, you said specifically you're gonna tell me the wrong colored wire so I explode. What are the fucking odds of you saying exactly the thing? That's why I'm gonna do that as a short. You saying that first and then going back to the past, me actually saying you're nothing but a next cut the red wire, even though it's not red. Bye bye. Like, what the fuck are the odds, bro? Anyways, so let's see what you. Sorry for taking so long. I start. Someone woke up and I had to stay in starting soon a bit. Oh, someone woke up. Tio, your words are kind of sus. Oh, Lamar predicted that 90% prediction. Hell yeah. Anyways, so another ad is coming and I haven't made any progress. Damn it. I think I'm gonna snooze this time the ads because I want to make a bit more progress. So these ones now have their heads on. We're gonna do slash scoreboard player set at the type equals armor stun at equals 1 relic one. We'll do this one as a 2 and we'll do this one as a 3. Is gonna go grab something to eat and let you focus. Shisaka. I don't know this one because Uzu. For example, Su. I made for Uzumaki Naruto to type Uzumaki, the Zu. You type it as a Su and you put these two things, the two πώς λέμε, αυτό the two quote things. So it's like, I know this one is a she, that one is the sa, and then it's a. Jane. It's not ne, it's a. The last words she with the lines becomes G. Ne. Wait, Ramalaka. Isn't the second letter this one? This one? Like I can't focus. Focus. Anyways, it's like a you do like a D with a quote. It's like a D with a quote. D, ya combined certain way becomes ya. Jana. Well, I've seen so much Naruto, I know what Jana means because everyone is like Jana. Bye bye. So we are going to make them as those, and then we will do Jane, no Jana. Okay. Slash TP Papaki score underscore relic minimum equals 1, score underscore relic equals 1, Papaki random score underscore spot minimum equals 1, comma, and score underscore can place for mean equals 1, place equals 1. I must do this. Type equals armor stand. Type equals armor stand. Relic 2. Then we do relic 3. So we're going to do this. And it didn't teleport them anywhere. TP at E, score underscore relic equals 1. Relic equals 1 at random type equals armor. Done. 1 comma score. It's annoying that it has limit on the chat. Score underscore and place equals test for click equals 1. Do I even have this? Nope, I don't. Objectives add relic dummy dash kill e type equals armor stand. Game rule command false. Teleport armor stand to armor stand. Yeah, I don't see them. First TP at E for underscore relic. Okay. That's 2. There must be 3, but yeah, okay, they got to random locations, but why don't they have their heads? Oh, they just teleported. Okay. That is a strange bug. That is a strange bug. So that's the... Let's make sure that starts in 2 minutes. No, we're going to snooze. Okay, so the relics spawned, but we should do a new mechanism, which is going to always do this. Slash execute at E or underscore relic 1 score relic equals detect slash test for at E score underscore what equals 1 what equals 1 for and place 1. It detects that and it's going to do this. Our scoreboard players set. First of all, execute at E or relic. Set at E. Can place 0. If this is that's the 2. If I do this, slash test for slash score players list and show. Yep, can place 1. And what about you? That's 3. And this must be the 1. Alright, relic can TP here 0. Very good. So that means that doesn't allow the other relics to teleport there. So let's do the same. Going to do the same. Then we will do the same. Sorry for my nose, guys. That means all the armor stands that have close to them are relics as a can place 0. That means the other 2 relics can't spawn on the same location. So what I want to do now is to actually fix this. I can't pick it up. Oh Lord. Set block. Slash set block. Here. Slash TP E score underscore relic on. The reason we do that is so we can be able to. Very nice. So slash TP score underscore spot. Okay, let's do -1. Let's just kill this. If I remember correctly. No. Why is this a bug? it like this. Let's do one more snooze, and then we're going to go on a break. Okay. For example, this one. Zero. Here. You are... and is 90. Then we go... it's 90. This one. And this one. Hey, what's up, bro? Hello, Thanos. Kalos ήρθες. Welcome to the stream, bro. So, we are... I think we are going to do this. And I think we will do... I came in because we have Minecraft map as well, lol. What map did you make? It's a SCP CLR creation with data packs and resource packs. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Spicy. Does it have to do with the blinking SCP? When you blink, it moves? Because I recreated another maze game on Windows that I can't show now, but it doesn't have to do with any data packs with anything. It's just, yeah, SCP-173 is in the game. Nice. Data pack is the resource pack, isn't it? SCP-049. Which one is the 049? Is it the dog? The zombie fire doctor. Oh, the guy that kills you and makes you a zombie. What about the shy guy? You have the shy guy as well? That would be crazy. Shy guy is too powerful, lol. he runs like a motherfucker. In every context, he just beats up everyone. Yep. Until you look at him. So you shouldn't look at him if you don't want your ass whooped. So /TPIE score underscore spot mean equals 1. Let's do it -1. Let's hope they didn't fall. Okay. And we'll do /kill IE score underscore relic mean equals 1. Do this. So that teleports them, and this one brings them up. There's a bug on 1.9 which takes some time to actually place them and show them. Let's make it /TPIE score underscore relic N equals 1.1. Yes, I think that's... Let's do it 1.01. 0.01. 1.9, why? So... I don't see any... I assume this is something like 1.1. No, it's 1.9. I don't see autocomplete plus program art. Yeah, that's the reason why I didn't carry on. the what do you call it? The autocomplete and the programmer art kinda throws me off, and they changed the whole like execute command. Like, listen, if they never touched the execute command, I would have gladly went to the newest versions, but I stopped upgrading to the newest versions because of the fact that they touched and they bothered the execute command. Because you gotta be more specific and you gotta put more, you know, as a 1.21 are more powerful than ever. Yeah, I know, and there are a lot of features that I really want. For example, when you're looking at an armor stand, it detects you looking at it, and when you don't look at it, it can move, and like the SCP, for example. But unfortunately, in 1.9, I have alternative. I make the blinking feature, which is the just put a pumpkin on your head with a resource pack that makes it all black. And when that happens, the entity moves forward, and then it gets no AI. Well, I have alternate ways to do that in 1.9. It's pain in the ass, but it's better because, you know, I'm pissed what they did with the execute. That you have to put extra like at R, at P, at this, at that. But here it's simple. It's just you do execute, you put the data, you can do type equals armor stand as if like just address it as an armor stand, and then you do a specific, let's say, objective. But with the newest version, if you have two people with the same objective, the command block says you must specify which one of them to, which pisses me off. Our solution for the blinging and the custom font. Did the ad start? Damn it! Okay, I'm gonna go on a break. I'm gonna drink some water, gonna stretch a bit, and I'll be back when the ad ends, alright? Give me a moment. Give me like a moment. One moment, BRB. All right, back. Oops, I opened GIMP. So let's read everything you just said. I actually went AFK for a moment. Plus, the newer version, you have functions and macros. I'm not advanced on programming, so I don't know exactly what are those, but I read that Theo says that sounds so useful. Which probably I will find them like in a useful manner, but for now I can't know because I never had the chance to have it in my hands. Functions allow for some recursing and complex program flow, but macros are a game changer. I can just add a $sign to the beginning of the command and then say entity, whatever variable I passed on to it to put it in place. It gets ahead of so much. One moment. It gets ahead of so much hard coding. The ads are over, by the way. All right. I haven't done stuff in Minecraft in years, but from what Thanos Bay says, it sounds like very made massive improvement. Yes, but I'm holding a grudge because they ruined other things. The simplest things. The simplest things, they made them more complicated, at least for me. People say, no, it's easier because you just press tab and it automatically gives you options to choose what to do. No. No, that doesn't help me. When it gives me more options, it confuses me. When it doesn't give you fuck all and you gotta do research, it's more you look for exactly what you need, not what it predicts you need. It confuses me. That's why I never carried on. I haven't yeah, I read your comment. Anyways, listen, I considered making this map in 1.21 point whatever, but the movement of the game pissed me off. Like they tried to make smoother the movement on the flying or some shit like that. I don't know, it pissed me off. The fact that they added shitload of more blocks for no fucking reason, shit more of like, there's like egg thing here, there's like a lot of shit that's too overwhelming. Minecraft is not Minecraft anymore. Minecraft is just mush. They just throw shit in it and we just allow it. I don't know. It doesn't really predict what you need. It's a simple autocomplete to get ahead of careless syntax errors. I accept the fact about the syntax errors, but manually I learned not to make those simple syntax. For example, when programming on a notepad or whatever, like we did C++ with UTO in the past, yes, you can miss like a tiny question mark and it can ruin you the whole program. But in Minecraft, you execute it as you go. For example, I tap the command, it doesn't work, I rewrite it, I type it, it works, and then I add the extras I need. That's what programmers should be doing as well in the C++, but anyways, we weren't doing that in the past. We were just doing the whole program and then we're like breaking our heads, where the fuck is the missing shit? Yeah, that's another story. Basically, Joe is boomer and doesn't want to learn the new stuff. Autocomplete is very useful in actual programming. They added all the blocks. What do you expect them to do in new updates? Sob. I'm upset that they are just, I don't know. It's overwhelming, the newest version. I don't know. It's a personal opinion. Maybe if I go to like 1.12 or maybe like to the first one that they started implementing this programming easier shit, but not the newest because it's too much on the newest. And having functions in variables sounds very powerful. Yeah, like new. Now I want to open up Minecraft, try and doing shit again after hearing this. I'm okay for now on 1.9. I launched quite a few maps that I could have made them easier and more easily with the newest versions, but I'm proud with my progress and with my alternative rows. Because they fixed things that were a pain in the ass on the old version that I used to make stuff in many years ago. That's a fair argument. 21. So now we have these. We have the random spawn locations. What do we have to do? We have to do the players to run for shall I make traps like dispensers and shit like that to make like players trying to kill each other whilst they're still trying to get the artifacts? I wanted like musical chairs, but the final two to be able to fight, not from the get-go, because people control and kill each other before they even bother getting a relic. You could try to say any task that was hard to do, and I could say a way to do it. Maybe on the newest version, yeah, but on the past versions, you needed to dig and figure out ways. Anyways, let's do these ones. Invincible, no gravity, invisible 1B. And it's like choosing Lisp over C++. No offense to my buddy Lisp. I don't know what Lisp is, so the digging part sucked because there wasn't good documentation. What? Tio, how do you think I made my maps? You think I created the commands myself, or I thought of them myself? What's bullshit? And I made good ass maps. I taste so good. Yeah, they are a bit, you know, errory, and they have, you know, bugs and shit like that, but we don't talk about that, you know. So we made the random location. What was I going to do? If we made the random location, that means we must do the startup, right? Shall I do the startup where we're gonna do what we're gonna do here? We're gonna do this /set block. Oh, now we also have /random. Laugh my ass off. For random in this thing, you do this. You do the command block. It's 3 command blocks. It's just teleport your first objective to a random location, which is this right here, /TP. Wait, where is it? There. What do I need the random /random bullshit? Well, I need it if you want to do random like blocks around you. That random, I need it. I've searched for it. But yeah. But what about if I need to do the relics to teleport in a random location, which the random locations are other armor stands? Well, maybe you do have the possibility of, you know, making the relic instead of spawning like here, spawning here, there, without armor stands. But because I'm not bothering with, what do you call it? I'm not bothering with random locations as if from this block to that block. I always bother with specific positions. That actually doesn't bother me. And then you just do at random, which is at r. You put the specific objective, and then you come here and you make it when it detects that the relic 1, for example, finds a specific location close to it. You make that location 0 accessible to the others. Simple. It's an alternative. But now we also have random left. I also not spread players with armor stands and getting them to scoreboards. Yeah, I love the stuff you made, but you had to find random shit on the internet. If I'm writing actual code, there is useful official documentation that has all the function cases, etc. I need. Theo, now we have a ChatGPT. Instead of looking around the internet, info from random websites for info. Jokes on you, Theo. I use mostly Minecraft's official wiki, where I actually tried combining random commands with each other. For example, for me to figure out what I can do with an armor stand, I did /entity data AE type equals armor stand r equals 2, and I made like a random thing like no gravity 1b, right? And as you can see over here, we can see everything. The data did not change because it has no gravity 1b, heard by timestamp 0, and then I can search what this is in the wiki and figure out what that does. Attributes, I can find attributes, base, name generator, knockback resistance, base. These are all the things I can do on one armor stand, which is cool. It tells me itself. Hold distance, there. Disable slots, there. Death time, there. Pose, there. Invincible, there. Motion. It shows me everything. Small. You know? So it's not searching exactly in random sketchy places. It's that you gotta do the research yourself, you lazy ass. Even though that makes you more of a programmer than me. You know why? Because programmers always look for the fastest and laziest solution, which you guys are kind of right, and I'm losing on this case. Shit. The wiki is player made, by the way, so people had to figure that shit out to pull that info there. I wish I didn't have an exam tomorrow. I'd love to open up a new Minecraft version and see what changed. Yep. Anyways, so we did the random location. Now we need to do... How can I make the game interesting, guys? How can I make it interesting? So let's go to the GBT, because this is a game of the GBT, not mine. Mine is to execute it. So I made the artifacts to spawn in random locations in the maze. What's next? Random artifact spawn, huge replay value, blah blah blah, 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 blah. What comes next? You need a clean deposit system. Right now, players can grab artifacts, but how does the game know someone is safe? You need a clear system. Oh god, that scared me. Thanos, thank you, Thanos. Thank you very much for the follow. I really appreciate it. Welcome to the cutie crew. So 3 pedestals for 4-player example. Each pedestal has 1 hopper, 1 chest underneath, pressure plates on top. Player throws artifact into hopper, chest fills. That pedestal is now claimed. Okay, it's just confusing me instead of like telling me what's next. So what we're gonna do, we have these right here. We're gonna do I'm gonna put armor stands here. When the players grab these, oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna do. We're gonna do /set block, and we will do /test4 AE score underscore has HA mean equals 1 score underscore HA equals 1. Comma X equals Y equals Z equals, comma dx equals 0, comma dy equals 0, comma dz equals 0. But we want to do X, that's Z. Z is going to be 1. Actually has 1 mean equals 0. We'll do it with 0 because all players will be valued on HA/scoreboard objectives add HA dummy as if has artifact / scoreboard players set as artifact 0. Then this is going to say /say 1. I didn't make it. And then we do the testing. All right. So when that detects me, it's not going to allow me to go forward because I must have an artifact in my inventory. So that means /test for AE. Ooh. How about we do /execute, IE, that's there. /TP papaki player. And because the entrance goes that way, we're gonna do it -x. -0.1. I think it's gonna work, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna make it more than 0.1 because it allows me to go more. 25. Yeah, it still makes me go forward. Let's make it 0.5. Yeah, there's no way of you going in there. Wow, what if there is... I do at player. If I do at E, because I want to have... Since I don't have friends, let's do summon armor stand. And make it /scoreboard player set IE type equals armor stand. As 0. So it does teleport the armor stand too. Wait, what? It teleports everyone this whole time. Oh, I mean... We're gonna ignore... We're going to ignore what I've been doing. /TPIE. Damn it. -1. Okay, this position. Yeah. Okay. IE score underscore as artifact min equals 0. As artifact equals 0. I want to see if it's gonna be teleporting the armor stand too. If it's gonna be teleporting the armor stand too, I must... Yeah, I must do this. Comma R equals 0. How about now? Yeah. The armor stand... Okay, so if the armor stand goes, it brings it back. Okay, so it works. It works. Now, it detects whoever is trying to sneak in without an artifact. That's... I must turn it the other way. Minus. So, this must... not let anyone without the artifact to go in. So what do I need now is to make sure that the player who has an artifact he doesn't get a second one. So he doesn't sabotage 2 people instead of 1. The problem is, if I do have 3 different artifacts, it's gonna have to be in 3 different ways shown. What do I mean by that? I mean, like, if for example I have the first one and I capture this one, it should detect that this one is the second one. Except if I make it to check Shiny Relic 2. Is that bug? Do I have a resource pack? No. If I make them all as Relic 1, that means if a player tries to grab this one, how can I prevent someone from being able to grab? Maybe fill his inventory? Maybe fill his inventory so he's not able to grab another. But the problem is, if I do that, let's see. For example, helmet, right? You can exchange. It's a block. Can't exchange. Okay. So that means how do I make this? If someone finds a relic, they don't get a second one. My brain is shutting down slowly. What if the guy who has 1 relic and he finds the second one, he can grab it and hide it elsewhere, like change its position? That's an idea. The reason I'm saying this is because I can't prevent the guy from getting 2. I can prevent him from getting in with 2. So for example, test for min equals 0. And then teleport the guy out. If the guy grabs 2 relics, so let's go to chat and do I need a command that checks a player's inventory with a specific item and specific name. For example, this one is called Shiny Relic #2. Will it work? Let's see what it gave me. Oh, ancient relic. Shiny relic. #2. Save found. Okay, what if I have this one? Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay, very nice. Yeah, my question is how to make it not placeable now. Except if he places it and, you know, the others just break it and... Okay. Baggy epsilon score underscore. I'm gonna make this to 4 categories. Score underscore player as a p underscore min equals 0. P0 equals as a player 1 / scoreboard. Objectives add p. Tammy as a player. It's gonna check if the player 1 has a relic 2. Do it in order. 1, 2, and a 3. I'm gonna make it like this for a reason. And the reason of it is the player gets that. He gets +1 of a score. So / scoreboard player set, not set, add key epsilon score underscore p min equals 1. Sorry, 0 equals comma score underscore p equals 0. Pass 1. Same here. Same here. And if he leaves it or puts it down, we remove. Remove. If someone wants to be greedy, you won't be able. So let's say / scoreboard player set Yorgos P0. I grab 1. Why is it burning? What? Okay, make it like this, I guess. / scoreboard. Paired list. Euros cost 3 tessera. makes me 0. So now that makes me 1. I grab this one too. Ah, shoot. Should make me 2. I grab this one. Should make me 3. This one will be minimum of half 2. Will any... Okay, something is off. Underscore p equals 0. Oh. Never mind, we didn't have to do this one. What? So let's see. Test for at e score has minimum equals 0. Score players list has 3. That's 3. Okay. Execute has add. So if I have 2, if I have 1, and if I have none. Very nice. So slash scoreboard players list. So I'm 3, I'm on 2, now I'm 1, and I'm in. So the moment, because there's a big chance of someone being a poo-poo head and he throws his skull whilst he's in there, we will the moment it touches the green carpet, he's like an auto lock. His inventory clears and he's an auto lock. What if someone grabs the relics and throws them so they despawn? I'm thinking so many alternates. Okay, like I have a lot of what ifs. What do you call it? So we did the system of random spawning location. We did the system of being able to go in. So let's do the reset now. Let's do the reset. Slash kill AI score underscore relic minimum 1. Slash scoreboard players set AI score underscore spot minimum equals 1 to and place 1. What else? Okay. Let's do this as a redstone block. Word. Three. So pretty much this is the reset of gonna reset real quick. Shouldn't they be on? Yeah. Okay. Are they kind of off? Are they kind of... I think now it's gonna work. Yes. Okay, very nice. So those are the relics. And now, every time it sees that, for example, this player has a relic. We do... I have... Oh, I don't have it. I want to look for a command. Let's see. I need a command that detects the player on that objective, says his name. Can you do /say papaki? /say. Oh, it's that simple. Oh. Okay. I didn't know that it was that simple. So we'll go there and we'll do text generator. We'll do not this. Telro generator. And we will do we'll see the text everyone at P found item. Just see for a moment how it's gonna look, so I can know if I'm getting this right. No, like that. That's to tag someone, isn't it? Selector, select an entity. Player entity selector. E. Player entity selector. Player E. Well, what is that? I don't know what that is. There was a way, but I don't remember how. I'm gonna have to go to my other, what do you call it, map that I made with there's a killer around. Anyways, let's do no. Red tool, tip, one mouse, hover. No. That's okay. We're not gonna use that now. I'm gonna have to find the command on the other map that I have. There's a killer around, and I'm gonna use that. So what I want to do when it detects the player getting this, the relic 1, it's gonna say the red player, which is gonna say his name, not in red color as a red team, has found relic 1, or has dropped or has lost relic 1. Same goes with 2, 3, and yeah, that's it. 2 and 3. And so that informs the others what's left on the world, like if someone is trolling, if someone is messing around, etc, 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 etc. There's a dead end right here that I just seen. Um 55.5. Flash summon our armor stand. No gravity. Invisible. Score player set AE. Type equals armor stand. R equals 0. Let's make it can place 1. Yeah, spots 1. Okay, so. Oh. So before the ad drops, I think it's gonna be a good time for me to end it here because I'm getting tired. Woo. Yeah, and I don't want another ad to drop and then end the stream, so I'm probably gonna patch up what I'm doing and call it for today, and hoping that next stream, if I'm gonna stream this to keep going this, I'm going to finish this map. Let's see. We need, so I'm gonna put a sign as a reminder. Needs a player found relic, etc, etc, whatever. So that's one. We're gonna do probably a house here, a tiny house. Gonna have doors. and we'll have like a as a one map for now. I might even do for people to find gold in the future, so they can use it for what do you call it? For advancements, to find easier the relics, and you know, I gotta stop saying etc etc. Slab. So when people get in here, they will be shot with and called test subjects. I have a question. Are you able to squeeze? No, you're not. Okay, this is probably the worst design you guys have ever seen, but it's a 2-day project, so yeah. I must focus not on the building part, on the making the game function correctly. All right. So here's how the players will start. I think it's kind of ugly. Probably gonna do simple wool block so people stand on them and they just, you know, get into that team and be done with this. Like they're two carpets. Green team, red team, blue team, and pink team. Make it shiny as well. It still upsets me the fact that all right, it's a simple design. It's nothing crazy. It's not crazy command blocks or anything. It's just something simple. Anyway, so thank you all so much for coming on today's stream. I'm gonna probably go and lay down a little bit because my head has been fried for some reason. It's not that I have done something crazy or anything. It's just that it's exhausting. You start to lose motive, so you shouldn't push yourself and overburn and then end up just never ending the map. Says the guy who has 3 maps on Windows that I must finish, but I haven't touched for like a week or 2. Anyways, thank you all so much for coming. I really appreciate it, for real. Tio, thank you for coming by and saying hi. Thanos Bay, thank you as well. Astro, thank you for coming by and saying hi. On YouTube, I see you guys. I see. I had quite a few lurkers as well today. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you. In like 3 o'clock and 15, there's gonna be a new short, and 5:15 is gonna be a new, what do you call it, a new video. You guys better check them out. I will really appreciate you. Other than that, bye Tio, bye everyone. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye bye. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow or the next day, or if it's gonna be this map or not. Maybe there's gonna be like a bonus stream, not today, because today I have things going on with Angelov, but we'll see. I'm not saying that today we're gonna stream, but I'm just saying that maybe we might have like in the week an extra streamer or something. Anyways, bye bye. Thank you guys. I really appreciated your company. Stay awesome, cuties. Enjoy the music until I close the stream.